There is nothing at my Walmart. Holy crap. Do they just want to die? What the frick? It seems like a freaking somebody sat in the toilet and blew the pipes out. It stinks like freaking. I got these. Let's see if she likes these. Well, they have like no turkey, so I'm gonna have to go to Food Land and see if they have bread and turkey. Well, I just made it to my car, but it smells like Under Armour out here, and some of these people need to get a better hobby because it stinks. Also, we only spent $50, which is not bad. So I'm gonna run to Food Lion and see if they got anything, because they probably don't, but we gotta check. Let's go, y'all. I swear these people think we're gonna die. Like, are all this freaking hungry? Well, there's no bread, so I'm settling for just turkeys. That's great. Yay!